Hey guys, this is Alfie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to find the one that I bought at Costco the other day. It's a laundry duffel bag, and it can also transform into a backpack. This laundry bag is, just right for this season. You can bring it everywhere, almost, anywhere. You can bring it to your, especially right now, it's a camping season. You can bring that to the, if you want to. So in today's unboxing video, I went to Costco the other day and kind of like browsing, just looking for some stuff, and then I saw this bag. I thought it was a bag, but it's not really a bag. It's a laundry bag, guys. Very useful, so I bought it, guys. So that's what I'm gonna unbox to you today, and you can bring it everywhere, guys. Especially right now, it's camping season. You can bring that to the camp, and you can put a lot of stuff in there. So yeah, so I'm trying to check the Costco website, and there's nothing, and it's not available anymore. Even the one that Clevermade, that's the brand of this duffel laundry bag, Clevermade. They have two what do you call that, two different style, and those are not available anymore. Looks like it's very hot right now in the at Costco. So yeah, but I don't see it's not available anymore, guys. I think it's only available in a warehouse, so you guys better check it out. And I think you can find it by the where they sell the kitchen stuff. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna unbox today, guys. Okay, so this one is a laundry Duffle Luxe. So this is not, like your regular typical backpack or duffel bag or a tote. So this one is kind of like interesting, guys. It's made in canvas, and it says here it has an easy open cinch top and holds up to 2 loads of laundry. Can you believe that, guys? And then it has slide the handles to carry 3 different ways. So you can use it as a duffel, and then as a tote, and then as a backpack. So yeah, so this is like 3 in 1, guys. So if you want to buy this, you can find it in the kitchen where they sell the kitchen stuff, or bathroom aisle or something. So yeah, I forgot, guys. Just when I was like browsing around, and then this one caught my eye. That's why I bought it, because it's kind of like useful. I think I'm gonna use this, like, I don't know, not only for I had doing my laundry, and then I can also use this as a regular travel bag, guys. And so sorry, guys, I think I said the material is kind of like canvas, but it says here the body, it says made of polyester, and then the handle is made of polyurethane, and then the trim is made of polypropylene. So whatever. So anyways, but for me, it's kind of like made of canvas and kind of like mesh material. And look, it's kind of like made of canvas, and then like there's also a leather in here. I don't know if it's a real leather. Of course it's not a real leather. Okay, so paper, and then you open it like this, and see, OMG, look at this, guys, so big. Oh. So okay, so let me see. Oh, here you can carry this like this as a tote. I think you can use this when you like when you go to a flea market. It's nice, right? And then you can also use this as a duffel bag, guys. So maybe if you guys gonna go to like a beach or something, you can use this too. So you can use it as a duffel bag like this. So you can carry it like that. Or maybe you can use this for hiking as well, guys, because the thingy in here back like that. OMG, guys. So you can use it you can carry this in 3 different ways. So one, you can use it as a backpack, you can use it as a tote, and then lastly you can use it as a duffel bag, guys. So yeah, and this one is so huge. Look how tall this is, guys. And it says there you can carry up to 2 loads with this laundry duffel bag. And then inside, kind of like mesh material, guys. And then this is like the drawstring here. So when you're done, kind of like press this one. Then you close it like this. Ready to go, guys. Yeah, so you can use it when you go hiking or going to the beach or camping, guys. And you can carry it in 3 different ways. Oh my goodness. So I recommend this duffel laundry bag. I don't know if your local Costco has this one. Maybe it depends on the location. So the one in our place, near our place, they fortunately they were selling this one. Yeah, it's almost gone when when I was there. Maybe like only few left in there. And yeah, so this is kind of like like the size of my Keepa. The 50 ones kind of look like that, but this one is bigger, guys. And yeah, so guys, I have my tape measure here. So let me just measure it from top to bottom. So this one is kind of like 21 inches in height, and then since it's circular design, so it's diameter, so let me measure it. So it's gonna be like 12 inches in diameter, guys. So 12 inches, so 21 by 12. So you can put a lot of stuff in here, guys. OMG. And it's kind of like durable too as well. But I don't know if it's waterproof or something. Well, anyways, I'm gonna show you how to carry this duffel laundry bag, guys. So it's not only for laundry, guys. So you can also use this as a regular bag if you have like a small trip or going camping or going hiking. You can carry this bag. Alright, guys, so I'm holding it as kind of like a regular tote. See, look how tall this bag is. You can put a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, and let me see. So yeah, you can put it on your shoulder as a tote. I think you can use this as a, like if you're going to a flea market, going shopping, guys. So yeah, so that's number 1. So that's how you carry it as a tote. And then you can also carry this one as a, but make sure you close the thingy in here, the right there. And then you can also carry this as a duffel bag like that. See, it has 2 handle here, like a leather handle like that. So you can carry as a double bag as well. And then lastly, you can put this, you can use it as a backpack, guys. Let me just show it to you. I have this as I'm carrying it as a backpack right now. So it's not gonna be like that if there's something inside, but right now it's empty, just showing it to you guys. So yeah, it's very comfortable wearing it because it has like this leather thing to support your, you know, your armpit. And yeah, so you can use it in 3 ways, guys. Use it as a backpack, as a duffel bag, or as a tote. So that is the when you carry it as a backpack like that, see. So yeah, so you did at your local Costco location. So yep, so leather on the handles, guys. So there are leather, so I don't know if it's real leather. So anyways, leather on the handles, and then you can also adjust this one when you carry it on your back. And then the brand name is there. It says here Clevermade, and it's also in leather. And then everything else is made of polyethylene. But for me, it's kind of like mesh design, and it's very deep too. You can put a lot of stuff in there, string opening here, and yeah, so you can put a lot of laundry here, guys. Laundry clothes, dirty clothes in here. Yep, so inside, guys, is very deep. I think, yeah, like when I measure, it's like 21 inches. Or yeah, 21 inches. So yep, they still have still space in here if you guys like a lot of laundry to wash. And it's very easy to carry, guys. See, look, it's so deep, so you can put a lot of stuff in there. Yep, it's very nice one, guys. So your money is worth it buying this one. So yep, so this one is on sale. I think it was only $17.99, and regular is like $20. So anyway, so that's gonna be my unboxing for today, this weekend. It's kind of like hot right now because I'm wearing this one. That's why I'm hot. So yep, so again, guys, made of polyethylene, the body, and then carry it in 3 different ways: backpack, tote, or as a duffel bag. So yep, again, this is Alfie. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, if you're new to my channel and if you like shopping or unboxing, you're in the right channel. And again, this is Alfie. Thank you for subscribing, and you guys have a good day.